Otumfuo Osetutu II, Asantehene, Your Royal Highness Lady Julia, Dasibre Otuo Sirebo II, Nana Jabinhene, Board of Trustees of the Otumfuo Foundation, Nananom, members of government and parliament here present, Your Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. As always, I'm truly honored to participate in the cause of our noble king, His Majesty Otumfuo Osetutu II. And this is no different. I am a witness to how His Majesty ascended the golden stool 26 years ago, and determinedly established Otumfuo Education Fund immediately after his ascension. It is this fund which has now metamorphosed and matured to the great foundation we celebrate today. Back then, in that very first year of his reign, his focus was on woven and characteristic of what his legacy is maturing into. He rose to the occasion and rallied all his friends and loved ones, both at home and abroad, to support his mission to markedly improve the quality of life of not only Asanteman, but also all Ghanaians, by contributing to the provision of quality education and infrastructure for all. His persistence is paying off since the fund's onset, as a result of which, year after year, we are seeing needy but talented youth gain access to quality education at all levels, with some of them progressing to occupy important positions in the public and private sectors in Ghana and globally. 25 years on, we are seeing the fund, now the Otumfuo Osetutu II Foundation, take on more responsibilities. It has added the thematic areas of health, water and sanitation, culture and heritage to its portfolio, to partner with like minds and hearts to steer as much change as possible for the entire community of Ghana. We duly congratulate His Majesty and the board at the foundation for this substantial work being done, and we say, Yewura, Moni Ajumapa, Awoyama Santemai, and Ghana Mai. Nana. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as the ancient philosopher Plato put it, and I quote him, the measure of a man is what he does with power. So now, Otumfuo, Nananom, ladies and gentlemen, it is my singular honor to declare the Otumfuo Osetutu II Foundation Endowment Fund 2025 duly launched. I want to thank you. Thank you.